Unit 2 Exam Review, question number 17. Ivan is using the quantitative reasoning process to create a plan to save for his children's education. He knows the following two commands in Excel: payment and future value. Ivan creates a plan to save $145 a month for the next 19 years in an account with an annual interest rate of 2.4%. Which of the following Excel commands will give Ivan the account balance at the end of 19 years? So the first thing I'm looking at is that he is paying into an account. So I know that I'm going to be working with a future value, and it looks like all of these are future values, so that's good. So we don't, well, I guess it's kind of bad if we're doing by process of elimination. So the first thing we want to look at is the rate. This rate is 2.4%, and because I want to change it to a decimal so that I can work with it, I move the decimal to the left 2 places. 1, 2, that gives me 0.024. So I'm going to go through here, and it looks like the first one and the last one have 2.4. That means, moving the decimal over to the right 2, that this is 240%, and these are not correct. So ignore the first and the last by process of elimination. One of these middle 3 seems to be well, we'll see. Now we need to divide that by 12, and this one's divided by 12, so is this one and this one. So that's good. The next part will be to do the number of periods, and it's told me 19 years, and so I need to do 19 years, but that's for 12 months times 19 years. Just double checking, 19 times 12 is 228. So this is okay. It doesn't specify 19 times 12, but it is correct. 19 times 12 is 228. This one just says 19. That means 19 months. So it's just barely over a year and a half. So this one is not correct. I need it for 19 full years. This one is 19 times 12, which is perfect. So these two are looking good so far. The next part is the payment. How much is he going to be putting into this account? So it says $145 a month. So I want $145. This looks good. This says $145 times 4. I'm not exactly sure where this times 4 is coming into. It doesn't say anything. It just says $145. It's not like I was just double checking that it didn't say anything about 4. So I'm not sure where this 4 came into play. So that tells me that something's up there. So this one is correct so far. And let's double check the last thing, which was the present value. It doesn't say that he has started with anything. So the present value is 0. This present value is 0 as well. But this times 4 is there to throw us off, and that one is not correct. So this one is our correct answer.